Hey there everyone, in this video I will guide you through how to add contacts on WhatsApp Wave. So let's get started. First of all, for that reason, you need to go to your web browser and search for web.whatsapp.com. So after that, you need to sign in to your WhatsApp account. So let's just sign in real quick, guys. So as you can see, guys, we are on our WhatsApp application. So after logging to the WhatsApp on your Wave, then what you can do is to simply go and search for InTouch app extension in the Google Chrome. And here is the extension right over here. Just go with the extension from here. Here is the extension. What you need to do is simply just add to Chrome and add extension. It will take some time to add the extension into your Google Chrome account or Google Chrome profile. As you can see, we are almost done with it. Alright, as you can see, we have successfully done with the extension, and now you can simply again go and go to your mobile phone, install the application right away. And after installing the application from the Play Store, you need to go to your mobile phone. So now I am in my mobile phone right now, so let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the Play Store, and from here you need to search it InTouch Contacts and Caller ID. You need to install this application. So after installing this application, you need to go to the application, and then from here you need to tap on this option right over here to find out the three dots. Okay, so go to the all contacts and find the three dots over here, and now you will see sync now option. So it will be synced as well. Then after that, in the top right corner you will see plus icon. As you can see, here is the plus icon. Just tap on the plus icon, and from here you will probably see the scan QR code option. Just tap on the scan QR code option and allow it again, only this time. And from here you need to scan the QR code right like this. So then again, so you need to just tap on OK, and you are done in your phone. So now, as you can see, we are getting the message to continue in my WhatsApp account in the PC. Let's just continue it. And now you can see we can add the feature from here, add the contact from here. So let's just refresh it to find out the plus icon from here. So as you can see, guys, we have successfully added the extension right over here. So here is the plus icon. So if you just add on the plus icon and add a new contact, now you can add any contact on WhatsApp Wave. So this is one time step. If you have to work on your PC and you consistently wants to add the contacts, you can set up like this. So I hope this video will help you out. If yes, please leave a like, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Have a great day.